To turn on phone notifications on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, first we need to open MyFitness app on the smartphone that is currently connected with your Smart Band. Then select Device. If you scroll down, there should be a Notifications and Calls, and then we can enter App Notifications. That's the first option. Make sure they are activated and that your customized notifications is disabled, or if you want to receive notifications from specific app, they should be enabled right here. And after that, we also need to make sure that our mirror phone notifications is activated. You can also go to incoming calls and make sure that if you want to receive incoming calls, that the vibrations are activated, and this will be basically everything. In the background permissions, we also need to make sure that all of the settings methods right here are allowed for the MI app, and then everything should work fine.